So I'll be showing you how to fix an issue where Instagram highlights is not working. So highlights are normally on your profile. So if you go to your profile page, just right below your information, you should see highlights there. So from here, you can create a highlight, and you normally create highlights from previous Instagram stories you had posted and are now saved in the archive. Okay, so those are what you use to create a highlight. Now, in case you try to create a highlight and there's nothing to use to create highlights, that might be because you have not, or rather, you're not saving your Instagram stories to the archive. Okay, and so you want to change that in the settings. So on your profile icon, or rather on your profile page, tap on the three-line button in the top right, and from the settings, if you scroll down and go all the way down to archiving and downloading and tap on that, then you need to enable save story to archive. So that means your Instagram stories, as soon as they expire after 24 hours, they're going to be saved to the archive. And from there, now you can be able to create Instagram highlights. Now, another problem of why you might not be able to create Instagram highlights is because you have a professional Instagram account. So you can see mine currently is personal, and that's why I have the highlights option. If I switch to my other account, which is a professional account, and I try to go to my profile, you can see there's no option for highlights, right? And so that basically means I cannot be able to post highlights on this particular Instagram account. So if you really want Instagram highlights really badly, you might have to switch back to a personal Instagram account. So those are the two main reasons why uh, Instagram highlights is not working on your Instagram account, and basically how to fix that problem. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.